I am checking. Look at this. What's going on? What's going on? Look. A lot of water. This one are surviving, but this one's, I don't know what's gonna happen. Look at that one. Oh, I'm not sure about that one. This is cilantro. All my plants are harvest. Look at this one. I have to move her from here. Look at my succulents. Oh, this one died. I have to move her out of there. This one, she's doing really good. I have to take her out of there as well. Mis rosas del desierto, they doing good. It's been raining all these days. She's doing good. Look at her. Oh, she's beautiful. And look in this one too. Let's go check the other ones. It's gonna be raining, so I don't know what's gonna happen. Guys, I have a mess over here, but this one is my Cuban oregano. And these ones are, I believe they are cucumbers. So let me see how they're gonna do inside that pot. So I have to clean this up. I haven't had the chance to do so. Look at this one. He's Oreo. He's boofing or goofing or woofing, however you want to say it. I have to take him to get a groom. This one, they're gonna be leathers. I don't know. Let's see what happens. So over here, okay, I have to clean my backyard. She's doing great and she's doing fantastic. I have to move her out of here as well because I have these containers here. So she's doing great, but it's raining, guys. Well, not raining, but look at those clouds. They are about to pour. But I love the rain. I love nature. I love the rain. Look at those clouds. Look at those thunders. I think he is dead. I have to move this one. He is orange. This is a tree, but look at the tree. Let me see if I can save him because I really don't want this one to die. I'll bring you guys a video. And this is my sour oranges. I have a lot. This is good to clean your meat. I use it for meats, to clean my meats. And also I make juice out of it as well. Let's go see the papaya tree. Here it is. The papaya tree is doing fantastic. It's doing good. No complaints. Look at who's here. Uh-oh. It's gonna pour cats and dogs. So she's good there. I have a lot of this one. Bromelias, I think that's the name. That's my green banana, I think. Banana peppers. Banana peppers. That is one leaf of culantro. This is cucumbers. The radish, I don't know if it's gonna be doing good or not. And that's I forgot the name of this, but they're doing good. This is so far what I planted. I'm gonna start little by little in this area, so let me see how they're coming out. And this is my dog's cage because I have 3 jerkies. And this is my Cuban oregano that I always showing you guys. I have all these plants base that I have to clean up. This is my succulents. I have to, she's doing good. I have to move her from there and that tree too.